Okay, polar example 11. Find the area enclosed by one loop, which should kind of tell you it's a rose, of r equals sine of 4 theta. Well, the sine is oriented on the y-axis, and let's just go ahead and show you what it looks like without me taking the time to graph it. Document, no graphs. Sine of 4 theta. Sine of 4 theta. Yep. What did I do wrong? Oh, did 4.6. Just kidding. Wait. Oh. And I've just illustrated what you don't do. You go to polar, then you type it in correctly. Sine of 4 theta. Wow. Yep. It has 8 loops. Check it out. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to find one loop. So essentially what it's going to do is it's going to, and then it's going to start making more loops. It's going to make the first loop, so I just want to find one. So I need to know, it's going to start at 0, and it's going to come out, and it's going to make a loop, and it's going to come back in. I need to know how long does it take to get back to 0, because this part is easy. You do that every time. It's the limits. It's trying to find these two values that are difficult, and these are always thetas. Okay? So it starts at 0, it comes out, it comes back, it ends at 0. So if I can set this thing equal to 0 and do inverse sine, where is sine 0? Well, sine is 0 at 0, at pi, at 2 pi, etc., etc., etc. So 4 theta, because I just essentially did this, and remember inverse sine says give me an angle, and then I divide by 4. So 0, pi over 4, pi over 2, etc., etc., etc. So the first time it's at 0 is 0. The second time it's at 0, it goes out and it comes back in, is at pi over 4. And that, I just stick that straight in my calculator and get an answer. And I didn't take the time to actually get an answer again. So let me go through and go ahead and grab an answer. It'll be 0.5, the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of sine 4, and I can just use an x, squared dx. Check me, 0 to pi over 4, 1/2, sine of 4x. Yep. 0.0. Where'd it go? 196.